Two video editors. Two very different worlds. One big question. Which one really delivers? On the left, DaVinci Resolve, Hollywood-grade editing for everyone. And on the right, VN Video Editor, letting you edit anywhere effortlessly. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect.
Okay, here's the game plan. We're going to look at platform support, features and editing power, ease of use, price, hardware requirements, export options, and then those unique little quirks and strengths. So buckle up. Let's kick it off with platform support. DaVinci Resolve, right off the bat, is a beast here. You get Windows, macOS, even Linux support. And yes, it's optimized for Apple Silicon and top-tier PCs. Now, the catch? If you're on mobile, the app's a little stripped down, so don't expect the full suite. VN Video Editor, on the other hand, covers iOS, Android, Windows, and macOS. Pretty sweet if you want to jump between phone and computer. But if you're a Linux user, sorry, VN leaves you hanging. So, DaVinci Resolve edges out here with the extra flexibility. Features and editing power. Here's where DaVinci flexes big time. I mean, professional color grading, VFX with Fusion, Fairlight for audio, collab tools for Teams, HDR, RAW, even 8K support. Like, seriously, you could cut a blockbuster with this thing. But heads up, the learning curve is steep, so newbies beware. VN comes in a lot lighter. You get all the basics: cutting, trimming, multi-layer timeline, neat transitions, effects, text overlays, and honestly, the speed is wild for quick edits. But if you need pro-level stuff, VN falls short. No advanced color grading, minimal audio power, forget multicam. This round, DaVinci Resolve, hands down. Ease of use? This is VN's time to shine. DaVinci Resolve's interface is, let's say, not friendly for beginners. You kind of need to know your way around or do some homework before you get creative. It's awesome for seasoned editors, don't get me wrong, but VN steps in. All cheerful, simple, drag-and-drop workflow, super easy UI. You could edit your first video in minutes, honestly. The power may be basic, but for getting started, VN is definitely the winner here. Oh, and here's something cool. DaVinci Resolve, it's been the secret sauce behind the look of Oscar-winning films. VN, meanwhile, is crushing it among TikTok and Instagram creators who want snappy edits pronto. So yeah, they both play in totally different leagues. Now, money talk. DaVinci Resolve's free version is actually crazy powerful. Like, you can do so much before hitting any paywalls. But if you want all the toys, the studio upgrade is a legit $295 one-time fee. Not cheap, but you do get upgrades. VN though, just free. No watermark, no hidden fees. Like, what? That's pretty awesome. So, VN takes the win for price. Next up, hardware requirements. So, DaVinci Resolve, it wants power, especially if you're playing with Fusion or lots of effects. Honestly, it can make a weaker laptop sweat. Not all devices get every new feature either, but if you have the right rig, it scales perfectly up to whatever pro project you throw at it. VN is more forgiving. It runs smooth on tons of smartphones and regular computers, making editing super chill. Okay, performance is capped by your device, sure, but most folks won't even notice. Winner on accessibility? Definitely VN. Export options. This matters if you share stuff everywhere. DaVinci Resolve is loaded. You get all these pro codecs, ProRes, DNxHR, and so on, plus 4K, 8K, HDR exports, the works. Although, for some high-end formats, you might need Studio. VN goes fast, offers cool social media presets, and you can export up to 4K right out of the box. That said, if you need those fancy Hollywood formats, VN can't compete. For sheer export power, DaVinci Resolve takes it. Unique strengths. This one's fun. DaVinci Resolve is basically industry standard for color grading. We're talking Oscar-level stuff. Plus, multi-user collab features that pros love. But VN, it lets anyone export videos with zero watermark, completely free. And honestly, it's lightning fast. You can finish a story while you wait for your coffee. Both have legit cool factors, so I'm calling this one a tie. If you lay it all out, platform reach, editing muscle, simplicity, price, hardware, export, quirks, you'll see DaVinci Resolve just dominates in raw power. But VN holds ground where convenience and accessibility matter. So, wrapping this up, if you're serious about your craft, like you want that movie magic and control, DaVinci Resolve is totally your go-to. If you just need quick edits, want to share on social, and keep things easy, VN Video Editor is kind of unbeatable, especially on mobile. You get pro vibes with DaVinci, but for everyday creators, VN is where it's at. Did you enjoy this comparison? Stick around, subscribe for more side-by-sides and editing tips. Catch you next time.